Okay, today I will show you how you can deploy your React plus Vite application into Vercel. So this is my project. Let me show you how this is running. So if I open my terminal, I type npm install get install. Now I have to do npm run dev. Okay, it's running. Now I have to open my browser. I have to go to local host. Yeah, this one, localhost 8080. Okay, you see, my application is running. Good, good, good. My application is running. Okay, let's deploy this application into Vercel. Now let's open up my browser. Okay, this one. Now I have already pushed all my changes to my GitHub, and this is a public repository. So if I go to Vercel, I will click this one, add new, and this is a project. So it is saying import git repository. So my current repository name is Kelvin to RGB visualizer. So I'll choose this one. Okay, now it is already detected the framework. So this is Vite. This is correct. I don't need to change anything at all. Just click deploy. Okay, so it is saying congratulations. It is deployed. So if we go to dashboard, okay, so this is the link. So if I click this one, it will open my app. You see. So this is Kelvin to RGB visualizer.vercel.app. So yeah, this is running. Yeah, everything is here and my app is running. And that's how you can deploy your own project to Vercel.